Open source is the community potluck of tech, but a recent Microsoft hack just served a punch in the gut. Let's dive in. News 1. What's happening? Microsoft's open source tools were exploited to steal passwords from AI developers. It was a sophisticated, targeted operation. Why it matters? If our core AI/ML experimentation tools are vulnerable, the entire innovation pipeline is at risk. No tool is bulletproof. Big takeaway. We often overlook security in our excitement to innovate. Transparency and vigilance are now mandatory, not optional. News 2. Lessons in security. Prioritize your defense. Use Bitwarden for passwords and Dependabot to automate library updates. Why it matters? A little research and the right tools like Snyk can prevent a breach from turning into a disaster. Peace of mind pays off. Big takeaway, don't let the shiny tools overshadow your voice or your security. Preparation is the only moat. The bigger shift, we're on the cusp of a move toward robust, mandatory security frameworks for every open source project. What this means for builders: keep the conversation going. Learn from each other's mistakes to turn moments of crisis into catalysts for